address that first we have to understand who's who sanctioned that operation. That operation was sanctioned by the government. And how do you expect the government to punish a police personnel whom they have ordered to carry out that operation? The only thing is that we don't know clearly whether the government instructed them to eliminate the militant or it was done by the police personnel on their own. But having said that, we can assume safely that if a police personnel on his own gunned down a person, there should not be any problem for the government to even terminate or suspend that police officer. So the inability of the government or um, the government to suspend the police officers only reveal the fact that they were given an order by the government to carry out that operation.